how to set a custom cool background for a contact on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and then tap on contacts. Next, in the contacts list, we scroll down and open up a contact. In here we go down and then tap on more, then tap on edit cool background. Next, tap on background, and from the background selector, choose a background that you would like to use. So we've got video, we've got some features videos up here, custom video from gallery. You can select a pictures or a video from the gallery. So here we've got videos, we've got camera. So here if I choose video, I can set on that one. Now I can choose to use video sound as ringtone for this particular contact or not. Once you're happy, just tap on set as cool background. And that's it. So this only applies to this one single contact. So if I go back to the home screen, okay, here you can see this background has been applied to this contact only. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.